Magandang umaga sa'yo, kung gabi mo napapanood ang video ito, magandang gabi. Isa na namang trending na pasyalan ang ating pupuntahan. Halika samahan niyo kami, welcome sa aming walkthrough video.
Hi guys, dito tayo ngayon sa part ng Makati, sa Pembo. Bibisita tayo natin yung isa sa magandang simbahan dito. So shoutout po sa mga taga Pembo, yung Pembo Makati. So yan, pupuntahan po natin yung isang magandang simbahan dito. Sige, balikan namin kayo guys. Okay. Okay, tayo ngayon sa school.
Baka masakasama ka pa dyan!
Ganda ng... simbahan ng Taguig.
The St. Anne Parish Church, also known as Santa Ana Church or also known in its formal name as the Minor Basilica and Archdiocesan Shrine of St. Anne, is a Catholic church and minor basilica located in Barangay Santa Ana, Taguig. It is situated next to the Taguig River and across Plaza Quezon, where the statue of Manuel L. Quezon was erected when he was still serving as President of the Philippines. St. Anne is the patroness of the church. In 1571, the Spaniards subjugated mainland Luzon including Taguig through the Legazpi expedition. Between the years 1582 and 1583, Taguig became part of the Encomienda del Tondo and was under the headship of an alcalde mayor, Captain Vergara. Taguig was eventually established as a separate town in 1587 and was declared a parish with street Anne as its chosen patroness. Augustinian friars, Diego Alvarez and his assistant, Diego de Avila, were assigned to begin religious activities in Taguig. The first concrete church for use of the faithful was built by Hernando Guerrero, in 1609. However, the 1645 Luzon earthquake caused it considerable damage. In 1848, Andres Diaz began the construction of a new church complex. This too, unfortunately was destroyed by the tremor of 1882. To continue administering to the spiritual needs of the faithful, a makeshift church was used until the construction of a permanent one. Construction of the present church started during the term of Patricio Martin in 1883. He however did not see its completion due to his early demise. His successor, Guillermo Diaz, continued with the project and saw its eventual completion. During the early American period, secular priests of the Archdiocese of Manila succeeded the Augustinian friars in Taguig. The first of these was Silvino Labao of Tipas. He was followed by Vicente Estacio of Tipas, who oversaw the installation of the church's Soali Silin. Gerardo Maximo completed the rehabilitation of the church. More improvements in the edifice were undertaken by Augurio Jute and Emmanuel Sanga in preparation for the Parish's 400th anniversary in 1987. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Kindly also hit the notification bell to remind you an update once we have a new uploaded. Maraming salamat.